Hi everyone, my name is Athena and you're watching Athena Tattoo, where we talk about tattoos. I'm so sorry this has been so long overdue again because, as everyone knows, this year has been really difficult and I've been moving from one place to another and it was just too much, and so now I'm able because I've got my own space and now I'm back in this certain country. So and I would like to thank my mentors again for teaching me things that I could not learn online or things that I can learn on my own. Thank you again. Thank you so much. I swear, everything helps, really. Now this is just a redo of the Tattoo Aftercare video because that was a crappy video. Very bad audio quality. It was too fast and there was too much chatter. So now I've compiled what I've learned from my mentors, from my experiences, and from what I've learned in med school. So let's begin. The do's of Tattoo Aftercare. "70% ethyl alcohol kills 99% of bacteria in less than a minute. So after your tattoo, apply this. Put your preferred cream on. Personally, I recommend Aquaphor Eucerin because this is a cell repair cream, so it speeds up the healing process, although it's really pricey. It could be 33 dirhams, $11, or 600 pesos. I don't have Aquaphor, I use bio oil for my tattoos because it has nutrients and vitamins on it as well. It's a scar refining oil. It doesn't really remove the scar, it just helps it look better. If you want something organic, you can use coconut oil. This is really good because it has moisturizing, healing, and sometimes antimicrobial properties on it, so it really helps your skin, your wounds. You can use aloe vera as well, the plant. It's really good, it really helps your skin. This is the most widely used skincare product. It's sold everywhere, basically, cheap and expensive. If you want something cheaper, you can use cocoa butter lotion. Now this isn't as effective as the ones that I've mentioned, but this is better than not putting anything at all. Kitchen plastic wrap or cling film. Now I'm so sorry, I cannot recommend you anything that's more biodegradable or more organic because I don't know any product that is yet that would be more hygienic or better than this one. Until I find something that I can use better than this one, that I will definitely let you all know. But for now, I can recommend you the kitchen plastic wrap because like I said, this is more hygienic. Because if you use a gauze or any type of cloth for that matter, it really irritates your wounds, and since it's a cloth, it's absorbent. It will absorb the ink and the wet stuff that comes out of your wound that helps form scabs. It'll absorb that too, and when it dries out, it'll just be really painful to peel off and you'll just ruin your tattoo because you can't really take a scab out. You shouldn't do that. Replace the film 3 times a day for 2 days and put your cream on before you put your plastic. Use medical tape because any normal office tape doesn't stick to your skin very long. 1,000 milligrams is a double dose of vitamin C. Anything more than that, you'll just urinate it out, so it's just a waste of money. Well, I recommend this vitamin C because it's such a miracle vitamin in the healing process. Trust me, I've tested and tried this. One time when I was in med school, an alcohol lamp blew up on my face and I just burned half my eyebrows, I burned half my lashes, I had first-degree burns, and it was ridiculously traumatic, and I was so afraid that I would get just a different face. And then I used aloe vera on my wounds and silver nitrate for the burns, and I did 1,000 milligrams every day until it's healed. And in just a week, I shit you not, it was almost untraceable what happened to my face. So so take it only until it's healed because it's not really good for you after. If you get an infection, don't panic. It's okay, it's normal. You can get an infection anytime you have a wound. Just put antimicrobial or antibacterial cream on it. I do recommend Fusidin, although it's a bit pricey, so you can ask your local drugstore or your doctor. After after it's healed, constantly put lotion on it. You can use cocoa butter lotion or any type of lotion for that matter. You should put lotion on it to hydrate it. You don't want it dry. It'll really look fresh 24/7 if you do. Now for the don'ts.
No!
Don't put alcohol on it every time you change the wrap, okay? Because there are cells that are growing to help you heal your wound, your tattoo, and every time you put the alcohol on it, it'll just kill the cells and it will delay your healing process, and you know, it's not good. Don't wet it too much, okay? So no baths, no swimming, or constant washing. Don't do it because you'll wash out the ink, it'll fade your tattoo, it's still not good. I know it will feel sticky, but it's just your wound, your body trying to heal itself, so let it be. If you want to shower though, don't use soap on your tattoo because it'll help take the ink out of your skin. It's gonna fade your tattoo. On the first and the second day, it's really normal for the ink to leak out of your skin. Let it be. No sun exposure if possible forever. Because if you see those tattoos, the green fading tattoos, yeah, that's what it will look like if you expose it to the sun too much, too often. Yeah. No sweaty activities because this will increase your chances of getting an infection. When it starts to put a new layer of skin on it, do not scratch it, please, because you'll peel off some of your tattoo. Yeah, you're gonna have to do a retouch or something, and it's money down the drain, so never scratch it. Just tap it like this. It'll make you feel better, trust me. Just don't scratch it. You'll ruin your tattoo. I can recommend you fluocinolone for that itch. Fluocinolone, it's something that looks like this. Yeah, it's very cheap. It's very effective. I cannot recommend it enough, and it's so good for the itches. I've used this for years for my mosquito bites or any type of itch. Disclaimer: different skins have different reactions to each topical, so read the packets carefully, follow the instructions religiously, and if there is irritation, please consult your doctor. You know, stop the use and consult your doctor. And that is my most effective tattoo aftercare process so far. This is my opinion, and this is what I've learned that is really effective for me and my clients. And yeah, if you have anything that could add on to my knowledge, then please write that down on the comment section. And also, if you have any questions or complaints for some reason, or anything you want me to make a video of about tattoos, just let me know and I will try to do it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please share this video to raise awareness on how to, you know, treat your tattoos better, because I've seen like a couple of artists who doesn't really know how to recommend stuff or know what to do, and it's just sad to have their work ruined because they don't know any better. I'm not saying like I'm the best at knowing things, but I'm just saying, yeah, so thank you for watching. This is Athena, and you're watching Athena Tattoo. Tattoo with care. Bye-bye.